Hello friends, welcome to our channel Experts Prime Team. As you know friends, here we provide you full stat info and of each and every match so that you can easily win Grand League plus Small League teams. So please subscribe our channel, press bell icon so that you get instant notification of each and every game. You can see we are providing you each and every match full Grand League and Small League analysis so that you can, if you use your brain, the stats we are giving, the info we are giving, you can easily win Grand League and Small League team. Today we'll discuss about Australia and England, in India first one day match which is to be played. I will tell about the injury of the concern of the players who will miss the game and what are the permutation combination, who will play at which order. I will tell you about everything, so please be with us. Before processing to the match, I will tell you about one app, Experts Prime Team app. Install this app, you will love this app. As I am telling you, you are seeing that timer is being fixed. You will be seeing what is this. This is that before half an hour you will get Grand League and Small League team of each and every match. You can see football. First of all, we have told you about the tricks that you should be following. Then we have given you the teams. You can see football. Then you can go with cricket. There also we are giving you the tips so that you use your brain. If your our luck is not working, you can easily win Grand League with these teams. Lot of people are winning Grand Leagues, so please install this app. You can see Grand League, Small League team of each and every match is being provided to you. So please install this app. Now let's go to the match. We'll discuss each and every player full detail. This match will be played Australia versus India. You know, in wicketkeeper section we have Lokesh Rahul, Alex Carey, Matthew Wade and Sanju Samson. I am telling about each and every player full data, but Lokesh Rahul is expected to play. I am telling you India's batting order: Mayank Agarwal, and what we say, Shikhar Dhawan is expected to open. Listen carefully. Virat Kohli 1 down, Shreyas Iyer 2 down, 4 means, then Lokesh Rahul 3 down, then 4 down there will be toss up between Hardik Pandya and Manish Pandey. It is 60% confirmed that Hardik Pandya will play at 4 down. Then there is Ravindra Jadeja 5 down. Then I have told you about 7. Then 8 it will be 3 pacer whole play: Mohammad Sami, Jasprit Bumrah and Navdeep Saini. Then 1 spinner in Yuzvendra Chahal. I have told you India's team. So I will tell you about now each and every player recent performance. Lokesh Rahul, he has been brilliant. You have seen in IPL, he was highest run getter, got the orange cap. Must have player, will keep here, will bat 3 down. And Alex Carey, you can try him, he will bat 3 down or 4 down. Matthew Wade, he is not expected to get the game. Sanju Samson, he will not play. So I have told you about each and every player's last 5 match performance. You can see over there. Virat Kohli, he will lead the side. He has been best ODI cricketer for not India, in the world in last 2-3 years. So make him captain, vice captain your team. He's the best player. David Warner, he loves one day cricket. He will love to show in Australian condition but he's the number one day player. Steven Smith, after poor performance in the IPL, he will be eager to show what he is capable of. He just now gave the statement that he is now feeling well and looking in a prime touch. Shikhar Dhawan, he was the second highest run getter in IPL, so watch out for Sikhi bhai. Then there is Aaron Finch. He was struggling a lot in IPL condition. He doesn't suit IPL, but he is a very good one-day cricketer for Australia. In last 2 years, he is the highest run getter for them. Manas Labuschagne, make him captain, vice captain Grand League. He will bat 2 down. He will surely provide points to his batting. He is a very consistent player. Can also bowl 3 to 4 over. Shreyas Iyer, he will bat 2 down. Last 1 year for India, he has batted 2 down, has looked in a very prime touch. Manish Pandey, if he plays, he will bat 3 down, not 4 down, but 4 down you can take him in Grand League, but in Small League easily he can be ignored. Then there is Cameron Green. If he plays, it is then he will bat 3 to 4 down. He's a very hard hitting batsman, has been scoring a lot of hundreds in domestic cricket, but that in the longer format. He has not played one day cricket that much. So let's see, you can try in Grand League. If Moises Henriques play, he is expected to play. He can bowl few overs, has been prime form, has crossed 30 but has been New South Wales captain since last 10 years, has been performing for them brilliantly. Subman Gill is not expected to play, so I'm not telling anything about him. You know each and everything. You have seen the IPL. Mayank Agarwal, he will open the inning. So must-have player, was brilliant in one day IPL. Talking about all-rounder, Hardik Pandya, he is not bowling, so if he bowls, he can be Grand League captain, vice captain. But he is not bowling, I will not take him. Then there is Glenn Maxwell, because Hardik Pandya will bat 4 down. Either he or Manish Pandey, one of them will play. Then there is Glenn Maxwell. He can provide that spin option to the side. Can also bat well, but has been below par form in IPL. Marcus Stoinis, he will bat 4 down. Can bowl 5 to 6 overs. Can bat well, but he will have to perform that well in IPL. He hasn't done that for Australia in last 2-3 years. Ravindra Jadeja, he will bowl 10 overs, can bat well at low down the order, but in these Australian conditions, his bowling might not suit. Ashton Agar, he has been brilliant for them, but if he plays, he will bat 5 down. But he is most suitable for T20 cricket than one day cricket, because in one day cricket there is a chance that they will go with only Aaron Jampa. Daniel Sams, if plays, you can try him, but he's not expected to play. For India, Jasprit Bumrah will surely play. Make him captain, vice captain in your team. He's a very consistent wicket taker. These conditions will suit him. Mitchell Starc, must-have player. Good raw pace, will bowl in starting at death overs. Pat Cummins, he has been brilliant for Australia in this format, will bowl in death also. Aaron Jampa, middle overs, he can take 2-3 wicket easily. So very good bowler. Jason Hazelwood is depend on swing. Jason Hazelwood, Josh Hazelwood, if he plays, try him in Grand League. He can be lethal at the start if ball swings. Kuldeep Yadav is not expected to play. He has been in good poor form in IPL, but he's a very good wicket taker, and these Australian conditions will suit him. If he plays, try him surely, but he's not expected to play here. Mohammad Shami, he has been brilliant in all form of cricket for India. Surely try him in each and every team. Yuzvendra Chahal, he's a consistent wicket taker, leg spinner. Australian always struggle against leg spinner. You can see in Australian condition, leg spinner has always done very good, like Shane Warne. You can see there was what we say, one more leg spinner from Australia. I'm forgetting his name. Okay, I will tell you at last. All leg spinner has done very good. Stuart McGill, yeah, I have remember. Andrew Tye, if he plays, but he is not expected to play. He is a good death bowler. Navdeep Saini, he is expected to play. He is a wicket taking bowler. Can also bat well at the lower order. Seen about, if he plays, he will bat 5 down or 6 down. He's a very good all-rounder. Can bowl very well. One injury, Saunabet is being named with an injury he gave to Cliff Hughes, and Cliff Hughes died. So he is the same seen about. Sadul Thakur, he plays, then Navdeep Saini will not play. He can also bat well. Then talking about captain, vice captain, Virat Kohli is the number 1 player in the world. Go for him. Then there is David Warner. There is Steven Smith. Marcus Stoinis can be punt captain, vice captain, but Warner and Smith are safe. You can go with Rahul, but he will return opening, but he is expected to bat 4 down, 3 down. So it's not good to make him captain, vice captain at that stage. You can try Shreyas Iyer as a Grand League captain, vice captain. If India lose early wicket, then he can score, as he has been doing great in one day cricket in last 1 year. Try in Aaron Finch, as most people will ignore him, but he has been good in this format for Australia. Jasprit Bumrah, must-have player. Try as Grand League captain. Also, you can take a punt, captain, vice captain in small league if you want risk. Mitchell Starc, he has been brilliant wicket taker. In last 2 World Cups, he was the highest wicket taker. So I have told about each and every player to you. Now we will go to Dream 11, make team over there. Now we are discussing in Dream 11 app. I have told about each and every player to you. I am going with Lokesh Rahul. He'll bat 3 down. Will keep a very consistent player. You can drop in Grand League because he's batting 2 down, but no need to drop because Alex Carey will not provide that much point to you. There is a lot of player in batting section. I have gone with Warner, Kohli. I have not taken Smith because Smith can struggle against the speed. His record is not that good. And then I have gone with Dhawan. You can drop Dhawan in Grand League, one of the team, and take Shreyas Iyer. Then Finch, You can drop Finch, but Finch has been good in one day cricket and he struggled against swing bowlers. But India, Bumrah, Sami and Navdeep Saini has low pace, but they do not swing like Bhuvneshwar Kumar, Deepak Chahar. He usually struggle against the swing bowlers, so he can score the good run. Love change, I will not drop him. He has been good from Australian. Then there you can take. There is Mayank Agarwal, Smith and Shreyas Iyer. Please take them in your team if you can manage dropping one of the player. All round section I have gone with Stoinis. Would have gone with Hardik Pandya, but he's not bowling, so it's not that use. Ravindra Jadeja has not been that great with the bowling in past 1 year, and is batting low down the order, so I have not taken him. Glenn Maxwell form is not good, another not expected to play. From here I have gone with Bumrah, Stark. You can take comments if you want. I have gone with Stark because credit not permitting, I cannot go with both. Then there is Chahal and Jampa. You can easily go with Mohammad Sami if you want, but this will be total Indian favor team. That will be too risky. But Chahal and Bumrah must have. Then Stark. Then I have gone with Jampa as a second bowler from their side. For captain, vice captain, I have told you best is Virat Kohli. I am going with. And for vice captain, I am going with David Warner. You can go with Aaron Finch or Loftus if you want. So this will be my side. I have told you each and everything. And last minute changes after toss, after info, because injury concern. Then please install our app, join the Telegram channel. There we will provide you each and every info. Thank you very much. Happy winning. If you want any improvement, please comment and like this video. Share to as much as people you can. Thank you very much. Love you all. Happy winning.